Hey guys, how are we all doing? I'm Dave here with DiddyVlogs, bringing you another vlog. Now if you don't want vlogs, make sure you smash that like button. Now here we go. It is Friday, 7th of September 2018. Oh, I almost said 9. I knew I was going to mess up this intro somewhere. 7:27 PM. Welcome to another vlog with me. Now this is going to be a good one. This is going to start a few week trilogy of good vlogs. Basically, on Fridays in September there's fireworks on in Blackpool. It's like the fireworks championship. I never end up going to the final. We're going to try and do that this year. But anyway, we're going there. Just had a Domino's. Going to drive the car down a bit and then start walking up the prom for the fireworks. They start at 8:30. It's now pretty much 7:30, so we need to get going. And do you guys like my fresh trim? Because I like it. It's pretty damn nice. I don't like long hair. So I love going to the fireworks. We've been doing it for like the past 3 years. It's become a tradition in our family to go to the fireworks, but it is really a good night just on a Friday, walking up the illuminations just after back to school and going and seeing some fireworks. And guys, if the audio is going to sound any different, I don't know if I can film with this because it's still broken, so I might just end up using the built-in microphone, which I don't know how good it will sound if we end up with wind. So we'll try our best. So we're just doing the final bits of getting ready to go right now. Check me out, I'm wearing the fleece and the raincoat just because it's colder than expected and I can't just wear one. But anyway, let's head out now. Okay, we've got the car parked up, just giving ourselves a bit of a boost. Now we're going to walk the rest of the way there. It's windy out now. I absolutely love walking along with Tom in the sunset. It's so damn nice. Apart from when it's really bad, but it's just perfect tonight. I'm loving this. It's not warm either, it's nice and cool. It's quite refreshing after the summer to come like every Friday night and have this. And the fireworks are always a really good show as well, and the illuminations. Literally, it makes me look forward to the weekend even more. Like, I always know after Friday's done, it's this and the fireworks. One of these weeks as well, we're thinking of going to Pizza Hut on the way up. I've never had Pizza Hut. I'm trying more different types of pizza. I mean, I only eat margaritas, so at the end of the day, everything's cheese and tomato, you know. But we may be trying Pizza Hut very soon. Well, I think Andrew's had it loads, but I've not had it yet. I always used to be really picky. Like, it was always Domino's pretty much. Guys, we went to see Hot Ice last month and we were going to go again, but it's finished this weekend, so we couldn't go. It's a bummer, isn't it? It was a really good show, so we're definitely going to go next year. It was absolutely brilliant. I don't even like the acting either. That's the place I want to go once, the Sandcastle. I've only been once, but I've not been for a few years. Guys, we got out a bit late. What did you say now? What? 18? 14. 13. They start at 8:30. We normally go like bit almost up at Central Pier usually, don't we? No. Yeah. But we need to get a shift on. Shiffle? Made a new word. A shift and a shuffle. That's it. We need to get a shiffle on and get up there. We need to get a shiffle on. Fireworks, Mr. Whippy. Yeah, I would normally get something on the way back up, but I get so cold when I do that because it's like sometimes like almost 10 o'clock when we come back up, so not that late, but a bit earlier than that. But it's always pitch black and freezing. Well, it's never pitch black because we've got these right next to us. Now all our trips are lost. On the way here, we saw some kids like crawling up these rails. Like, it's like, you're mad. Like, you're gonna fall off. ice cream. You're off to a good start though. They set some off too early.
Luck was not enough. I opened my eyes.
Right, it's getting really close to 5:30 now. It will be starting very soon. We're about far enough to watch it now. Right, we're at a good viewing point, but we've no idea what the hell is going on with us. Guys, I had a bad feeling about this. I don't know what's going on.
Now here we stand and hover on the edge. We're just a drop in time. I feel like I gave you every breath I had. Even forgave your crimes. I opened my
Here we are. Oh, all back home now. Okay, that was quite a show that was put on with the fireworks tonight, you know, even though it was like they started 10 minutes early a bit, you know, and then they started 10 minutes late. It was worth all of that shenanigans. Really, really good. I really enjoyed that. One of my favourite times of the year, going to that. And it was pretty damn cold. I didn't realise how cold it was going to be. I think I might get a thicker coat before next week when we go and do that again. But anyway, hopefully you guys have enjoyed it. I'm really glad my microphone, my poor microphone, which has to be treated very delicately and pretty much can only be used within here for my sit down stuff. I don't think I can take it outside anymore. But I'm glad I managed to use it through the night. It's not like it's not been falling off, because it's fallen off loads of times. But anyway, that is going to be the end of this vlog here, guys. I'm just going to be winding down for the rest of this Friday night. It's about 10 o'clock now. Hopefully you have enjoyed this. If you'll be able to go ahead and smash the like button on today's video and subscribe to my channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. And I'll see you all in my next vlog. Bye!